Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to implement array in LabVIEW. To implement array in LabVIEW, go to front panel. Let us learn first how to create an array. In order to create an array, go to controls palette and then in array function, place this array element over on the front panel. So as you can see, this is a empty array or empty shell, right? So as you already know that array can contain number of elements of the same data type. So here, this is a blank array and we have to define the data type of this array. So if you want to create an array of numeric, let's say, so what you have to do is go to numeric and control or indicator, whichever you want, click on the control and drag inside this shell. As you can see now, this array has been created of numeric. As you can see at the moment that this is 1D array. I can move this, I can expand this array only in one direction, whether vertical or horizontal. So this is how we create a 1D array of numeric. If you want to have a array of Boolean, again, place one shell over here, go to Boolean, select and drag inside it. Now again, this is my array of Booleans. Now let's suppose you want to create an 2D array, right? So this is this increment decrement button that you see over here represents the index. So as you can see, we have one index only. So that's why it is 1D array. If I extend this index in the bottom direction, now I can see two indexes over here, right? So now I can extend my array into two directions. So this is how we create array in two dimensions, right? So this is a two-dimensional array. This is one-dimensional array, right? Just like text-based programming languages, the index starts from 0. Here also in LabVIEW, the index will start from 0. So let's suppose, let's fill out some values of 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So now this is my 0th row. This is my first row. Let me write it down. 0th row. Increase the size and make it bold. And this is my 1th row, right? Again, let's talk about column. So this is my 0th column and this is my 1th column, right? So as you can see, 0, 0 is showing everything. So first index represents row. Let me write it down. First index represents row and second index that you can see represents column. So this is column, this is row. At the moment, I've created an array of 2 cross 3. This is an array of 2 cross 3, right? 2 row and 3 column. So if I increase the row by 1, you can see now I have 1th row, right? This is my 0th row. Again, this is my 0th column. Now this is my 1th column and this is my 2nd column. So index moves in this direction only. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. This is my 1, 0, 1, 1. Sorry. Yes, again 1, 1. And this is my 1 and 2, right? 1, 2. So this is how we create an 1D array and 2D array on front panel. You can always convert your, this is my, at the moment, control array control. You can change your array control to array indicator by going to change to indicator. And now you can see this has been changed to indicator. Similarly, you can create constant arrays as well. To create constant array, what you can do is, if you want to have an array of similar dimension, right click, go to create and constant. As you can see, I have created a 2D constant. But if you don't want to do it from here, go to array, place an array shell from array constant that you see from over here, and place any kind of data type for which you want to build an array. Let's suppose I want to build an array for strings. Go to string constant, place it inside this shell, and then you will have 1D string array. To convert it into 2D, extend this index, and then you'll have 2D string array. You can either change it to control, right? Now this is my control array, string control array, or what you can do is you can change it to indicator also, right? So now this is my indicator string array. So this is how we create 1D array, 2D array of different data types.